From Bianca Zhao, or Zoe, when trying to improve rapidly at hip-hop dance, is it better to learn many new choreographies and techniques or focus at one dance technique and in depth? I'd say practicing one style, because because when you allow yourself to fully immerse into the dance style or even the choreographer's style, because you know, a choreographer like Wildebeest Adams is very different from Shauna Varisto, very different from Kahanagami. You know, those are very different instructors, and I think in terms of hip-hop choreography, I think you have that flexibility because it makes you move in different ways. If you really want to be a master at, you know, Kahanagami style, you would just take Kahanagami's class. It would make sense to kind of just get variety in terms of the hip-hop choreography, but I personally think allow yourself to go deep in really studying the style, because then you figure out the nuances and to the point where it becomes second nature, where it becomes natural to you. When you try to you know, divide your attention or divide your learning into too many subjects at once, you don't exactly get the immersion or the depth that you want. So instead of taking three classes of three different styles, imagine now taking three classes of one particular style. Imagine how much more immersed, how much you have learned for just that one style, because you're letting your brain take in all this information and then soaking it in to master this one style. When it comes to 3 styles or 5 styles or even however many styles you want, you're taking a whole bunch of information, and a lot of it is very surface level to begin with because you haven't gotten that far deep in yet. A lot of that information is getting mixed, and a lot of that information isn't as deep as it could be when it starts to marinate on the subconscious level. Or let yourself focus on one style for maybe even 3 months just to start. I know there's so many styles that you want to do out there. You can have one primary style, but have another style as a supplementary style for that one. I'm not you know, opposed to that, but it's all up to you. It depends on the end goal that you want to do. That's what it really comes down to. If you really want to be a good b-boy, then focus all your efforts on b-boying, and then supplement that with other styles that give you, you know, different modes, different branches of being creative. It goes back down to what your end goal is, and let that dictate the actions. So that's it for today's segment of Grow Friday. If you liked this segment, make sure you hit like, subscribe, hit the bell button so you know whenever these videos come out. And you know, every day is something different. Monday's a vlog, Tuesday is social media marketing tips, Wednesday is a dance tutorial, Thursday is a showcase of how I approach all the philosophies and stuff I teach you on this channel and how I apply it to my own craft. And Friday is Q&A, inspirational insights, how to be more productive, more stuff for the mind, which is the most important tool that you can have. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.